Hi guys and welcome back to a new episode of DivByDiv. Today I'm gonna teach you how to set up in few seconds a React.js application. Let's get started.
Okay, so the only requirement to create this React application is just to install Node.js. Then we are gonna create this application with simply using the starter kit create React app. So let's go to our terminal where we wanna create our application, and you just type npx create React app my app. That's it. Now we need to wait that the project is gonna be initialized. Almost done. Okay, now that everything is done, we can go inside our My App folder and start our server. So let's go cd My App, and then let's do npm start. And there we go, we have our React application. Now let's open a new window in the terminal and let's open this project with Sublime. And let's see that we have different folders inside My App folder. We're gonna go to the src and we're gonna see that we have right now app CSS, app.js, app test, index CSS, index.js, service worker, and logo SVG. Now if we go to the index.js, we're gonna see that we're gonna include the index CSS and the app component, and with React DOM we're gonna render the app component inside the element root. In the public folder we can see that we have the index.html that contains all the meta tags and the div with the root where we are initializing our React app. In this video I'm not gonna go deep in this argument, this was just an introduction to show you how to quickly create a React app. But in the next episodes I'm gonna teach you more and more about React.js.
Alright, that was it for today. I hope you found this video interesting and useful. If you have questions, please comment below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you wanna know more about React, feel free to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time and happy coding. Ciao!